That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna spray it when you spray it.
Don't spray me in the eye with it.
Spray it like...
Gonzo. Okay. All right, give me a little spray right there.
No, tilt it all the way down.
There you go.
You got it.
All right, stop.
Don't freeze the needle like I do.
What's it gonna feel? There
sting,
you go.
and a burn.
How'd we do it? Did we call it? Feeling much pain?
No, not now.
Good. It did initially?
A little bit.
A little bit initially. We'll give you a little more back here. A little more. So you tried tying it off with a string, right?
Right.
Okay. Sometimes that works.
How come the discoloration only lasted for a little bit? Just hold it there.
The discoloration?
Put it there. Yeah. Like it didn't go complete like the other ones.
Well, this is different. This is a pedunculated lesion, which means it has a stalk. And that's by definition, that's what a skin tag is. So this one warmed right back up right away.
The scissors and the that one, yeah.
Very good. We're now going to excise the skin tag.
Ooh.
We're going to grab right there. We're going to make a little cut. Just like, how was that?
That's crazy. Your friend is gone.
It's gone.
He went bye-bye.
It didn't fall on the floor and wiggle like a worm.
No, we're going to save it for you and put it in a little jar. I'm going to need a stitch, please, ma'am. Did you feel anything?
No, not then.
Okay. Misty's usually helping Rumac.
Yeah.
Dr. Mike does everything for himself.
He does.
Does he really?
He just has me in there looking pretty.
How's that working?
Fantastic. He tells me he can do it in his sleep.
Really? All right. Let's grab on here.
Is he just getting uno?
I think this is a one-stitch deal here. I really do.
Can you get a Band-Aid? And I'm gonna put a Band-Aid over. And you're gonna come back in a week.
Right.
To get your stitch removed.
Okay.
He's like, who are you talking to?
Come back in a week if you want to. Must be real quiet when we stitch this.
You're blocking. You're blocking. There you go. One stitch wonder. It's gonna tell you to go in there, Misty, and try to dab it while he's doing that.
You want me to dab?
Actually, you can
really
have
don't.
the rizzers. The rizzers.
The rizzers?
The
scissors. My language today is not perfect. I don't know where my language is coming from today.
It's coming from El Salvador.
He needs the scissors because you need to cut it.
Oh,
I thought you were going to cut for me.
For me?
I'll cut it. Where you want it at?
Right
A
there.
little bit shorter, a little bit right there's good. I like that.
I can't. I have no gloves on.
Gloves on.
No.
I'm not good enough for you?
You're not the Gons.
Yeah, there's only one Gons.
That's fine. That's true.
Guess what? I think you're all finished, my friend. Give me a little alcohol swab, please. Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta 7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta 7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta 7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. I just got tested today and it was 5.4. And my doctor Gilmore said it was the help of the Meta 7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta 7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.